Boskangi 27 tarik March ni bisingono kok tomang Sinai Interlocutor saklai jak Sinai sabni bumung tai saklai jak Sinai constitutional solution ni bisingtei ti prasalukurok ni bagui tamo hamkrai khaini bakhak lam romjagi tong a kognono tini phunga siri phun khai kok sahorka Home Minister Amit Shah Tipra Mothoni Chairman Buagra Pradot Kishore Deborma no hai hininyo tabuk phung kachangono buagra bini Facebook o kaisa sei remani bai khasrang laimani mari nukjakha Tipra sa mokhang rogo mokhang somlaijak jagao tui susawai nei mokhang srangmung kaisa nukjak mahai koktoma breaking news boskangne 27 tarik March ni bisingo no Interlocutor saklai Sinai Tipra sarokni hamkraini bagai constitutional solution renani bagai kok salainani je kecharni borokni mung obonono buagra kha khlaio je Home Minister chini Tipra salukurokni khanangmani kha sajakmani nangsugui tongmani kokno buji mansinai tai borom rwano kok rwmano nargano hwnei bo puitu khaimani kokno bo sai khwnaraka boro English bo sai khwnaraka Woke up to an early morning call from the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah to inquire about my health. Bini sagnoti wasunka tai. He also categorically assured me that by the 27th of this month, an interlocutor will be announced for our talks regarding the constitutional solution for our indigenous people of Tripura. I hope the Home Minister will understand the sentiments of the Tiprasa and honor the commitment he has given to me. Ano je kog relang mani abono bo borom bai nargana hai ni bo pujo kemen kog sai kenarka abono tini breaking news sal kabangma thangnai sal 18 tarik ni simi borok nasing laimani o salbuhur phaino hnai boskangi 27 tarik phai tong hnai kokma saklaika buagra bini Facebook ni bisingtei tabung ai thainka kendro ni Home Minister bini kok samani kok da narakno wanama singcha kongga tawse jote hapangni bokhaktei kebo sayako tai borni bokhakni kono media rogo reaction riakho phiaba buagra no aboni update dei tongma bai buagra no khapor jaklaimani yaksi yagra babai abai englai tonglayo hambai laimung